Hello everyone, welcome back to Developers and Coders Club NIT Agartala's YouTube channel. Today we will discuss 21-day challenge, day 1, first problem, the beginning. So let's take a look at the problem statement. So see, we have an interesting story here about the journey of Vedant and Raj. And they met a respected member of DCC, Payal, who challenged them a task in their journey. Oh my god, such a hard task. She asked them to enchant this. I can't even pronounce. Wingrandian or something. Okay. But I think Payal wanted to help Raj and Vedant. So she just simplified the task. She just asked them to print whatever she enchanted. So, how they are gonna do this? They have to print this. This is we have to take an input which do not contain any spaces and we have to simply output them. Whatever Payal says, we have to just print them. So how we are going to do this? We remember the data types. It can't be an int. It can't be a character. It's not just a character. Or we can take. Or it can't be a double. It can't be a float. But we can take it as a string. So we'll simply gonna do this. We will take string s, input of s, and we'll simply output s. So we'll run this code. And it got accepted. So that's it. Happy coding. Thank you.